A federal judge has delivered a setback to North Carolina's so-called bathroom law, HB2. The judge ruled that the University of North Carolina cannot stop two transgender students and an employee from using restrooms that match their gender identity. Joining us to explain is CBS News Justice reporter Paula Reid. Paula, what did the judge say about why he made this ruling?
Rena, even though this is a narrow ruling, it only applies to the three people involved in this lawsuit. This is a huge victory for people who oppose HB2 because the judge said he will allow those three people to continue to use the bathroom of their choice because he believes they will ultimately prevail in this case.
Paula, so many people were surprised the White House went so far to defend transgendered rights with this bathroom bill. How did we get to this point?
It really did start with HB2. That's how this issue of transgender rights, specifically when it comes to bathrooms, how it came into the national consciousness. If you remember, after the bill was passed, the Department of Justice told the state of North Carolina, no, that bill violates federal civil rights protections. You can't force people to use a bathroom that matches their birth certificate if they believe their gender identity is something different.
The general counsel for North Carolina for Governor Pat McCrory said this isn't a final resolution of the case, and the governor is going to apparently continue to defend what he believes is the law. So what happens next?
They'll all be in court in mid-November to have this decision decided on the merits, but ultimately this will wind up before the Supreme Court. There's a case in Virginia. There's a similar case in Texas. Several states have sued the Obama administration. And then there's this case in North Carolina. The odds are one of them is going to wind up, or all of them, at the high court. Well, they will have to decide whether or not they believe that federal civil rights law protects sexual identity.
Paula Reid in Washington. Thanks, Paula.